Italy, land of pasta, ancient ruins, and words that are downright spooky. Today, we're exploring 10 Italian words that are eerie, strange, and sometimes hilarious. Get ready for ghosts, monsters, and a little supernatural mischief.
Teschio.
Skull. They're terrifying, mysterious, and strangely stylish. Pirates hoist them on flags. Dungeon bosses decorate their lairs with them. And horror movies can't resist their charm. Humans have been captivated by skulls for centuries, turning them into art, jewelry, or even fashion statements. That airy elegance never gets old. Honestly, nothing signals spooky and classy like a
Teschio. Cimitero.
graveyard. Silent, eerie, and strangely beautiful. Gothic arches, misty paths, rows of weathered stone markers. Perfect for a chilling story. Picture a midnight stroll through an ancient Italian graveyard. Bats gliding overhead. Distant church bells stalling. Goosebumps guaranteed. Even small village graveyards manage to feel both peaceful and haunting. Nothing sets a spooky atmosphere like a quiet
Cimitero. Strega.
witch. Enigmatic, clever, slightly terrifying, and full of lore. In Italy, stories of witches mix magic, cunning, and a pinch of mischief. Imagine a shadow flitting through a foggy forest, chanting spells, black cats appearing out of nowhere. Classic witch energy. They've been the source of fear, fascination, and countless stories for centuries. And the best tales always include a touch of chaos. A mysterious figure full of power and legend. That's a tree.
Strega. Malocchio.
Curse. The evil eye. In Italy, this curse is believed to bring misfortune through envy or ill will. Protective charms, gestures, and rituals have been used for centuries to avoid its effect. Imagine someone give you a spiteful glance, and suddenly your day seems cursed. That's the essence of this ancient belief. It's a long-standing tradition and an excuse to carry amulets everywhere. Beware the curse. Nothing can strike quite like a
Malocchio. Vampiro.
vampire. Night-dwelling creatures, elegant, menacing, and eternally dramatic. They prowl castles, lurk in mystery streets, and dominate stories without effort. Picture an Italian vampire strolling through an ancient courtyard, cape fluttering, fangs glinting. Cinematic perfection. Vampires have always been more than monsters. They're legends, symbols of fear, and occasional heartthrobs. Nothing embodies darkness and refinement like a true
Vampiro. Sortilegio.
spell. Magical forces that alter reality, influence fate, or simply create surprises. They appear in fairy tales, wizard stories, and ancient grimoires. Imagine chanting one, and suddenly your coffee turns into a potion, or your cat starts talking. Mystifying, powerful, and sometimes unpredictable. That's the allure of spells. A perfectly cast
Sortilegio.
can turn the ordinary into something extraordinary.
Putrefatto.
rotten, decayed, unpleasant, yet strangely captivating. It describes the composition. Think old castles, forgotten tombs, or a dungeon left to time. Imagine exploring a ruin where everything smells foul and crumbles beneath your feet. The atmosphere is perfect horror, gross yet mesmerizing. Even the bravest hero hesitates in front of a
Putrefatto.
mess.
Mostro.
Monster. Big, small, terrifying, or absurd. They lurk in shadowy corners, emerging dungeons, and inspire countless legends. From giant trolls to tiny creepy crawlers, there's no shortage of fearsome creatures. Every story needs a monster to spice things up. Facing a fierce
Mostro.
is the ultimate test of courage.
Incubo.
Nightmare. Disturbing visions that haunt sleep, twist imagination, and sometimes make you wake up screaming. They can be surreal, menacing, or just plain bizarre. Flying castles, talking shadows, or skeleton chasing you through a foggy village. They mix horror, absurdity, and unforgettable storytelling energy. A vivid
Incubo.
can haunt your imagination long after waking.
Dolcetto o scherzetto?
Trick or treat. In Italy, it literally means little sweet or little prank. Kids go door to door collecting candy, causing mischief, and sometimes scaring neighbors. It's fun, traditional, and the perfect way to end a Halloween night. Italian style. Say
Dolcetto o scherzetto?
and watch even the shyest ghosts join the fun. Italy isn't just romance and beauty. It's a land of words that can chill the soul. Subscribe if you dare.